If you happen to be old enough to remember, you or your family could go to your local Dodge dealership and not only order one of its muscle cars, but also order one with parts from other trims. Especially if that dealer happened to be operating a drag race team. The closest things in modern times are the Jailbreak versions of the 2022 model year Charger and Challenger SRT Hellcat Redeye Widebodies. And guess what? For 2023, as part of Dodge's celebration of V8 power on the eve of its electrified future, every SRT model will get the Jailbreak option as standard, and Dodge will even help you locate a dealer with an SRT allocation. Nearly 3 million Dodge Challengers and Chargers have been built to date for a total of around 1 billion horsepower. As the era of big power V8s is winding to a close for the Detroit muscle car brand, Dodge's final models will be known as the last calls. They're special, but with the Jailbreak news, it's clear Dodge is going to help you make your Hellcat special. From now until the end of production, every Charger or Challenger Hellcat you order will come with the Jailbreak treatment at no extra cost. If you were hoping this includes the last call or super stock models, well, no, you're already getting a special model, so stop complaining. This one-of-a-kind treatment is exclusive to the SRT models with the Hellcat and the insane Hellcat Redeye with its 797 horsepower, 707 pounds-to-foot of torque supercharged Hemi V-8, which is then boosted to a boggling to be road-legal 807 horsepower when jailbroken. If you're unfamiliar with the Jailbreak option, it allows customers to purchase a Charger or Challenger and deeply customize it from the factory with 20 different category options. Things like seats, wheels, exterior badges, stripes and more can be optioned in nearly any way the customer desires. Some of those extra options include recently re-released heritage colors like the 5 Blue, Plum Crazy, Sublime Green, and the popular and returning Destroyer Grey. The only difficult part outside of ordering will be locating a dealer with allocation left, as every Charger and Challenger will be allocated out to dealers rather than follow customer demand with pre-orders and deposits. Fortunately, Dodge is releasing the 2023 Horsepower Locator to help you not only find where a last call model is being sold, but every dealer's Charger and Challenger allocation within a zip code you enter. While this won't stop every dealer shenanigan that will make buying your dream Charger or Challenger difficult, at least this way you can find a dealer or two to work with before they are all gone. Along with your opportunity to get that dream car.